Your thoughts are not fixed. They flow like rivers. Today, we invite those rivers to carry peace, light, and ease into your mind. Namaste. I'm Marcel Roux. Please lie down in a quiet space, arms by your sides, palms up and eyes closed. It all starts with the next breath. Inhale for 5 seconds and exhale for 6. For full effect, please make sure to be undisturbed for the duration of this lesson. With this breath, know we are in this together. Go again, inhale for 5 seconds. And exhale for 6. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Removing all the obstacles. You're starting with intention setting. Let a gentle intention arise. One that is positive, concise, personal, in the present tense, and emotionally meaningful. For example, I choose kindness towards myself and others. I invite calm. Very simple sentences are completely fine. See what comes up when you feel into yourself. Instead of thinking deeply, just observe. Just observe your body. Observing your body. I give you a minute here. And as soon as you found your intention, start repeating it. When you have found your intention, again, repeat it 3 times. Then let go of your intention, honoring it, knowing that it will support you when you need it. Every time you exhale, you're invited to hum. This humming sound activates the vagus nerve. You can feel the vibration in your throat, in your chest, in your skull. Like tuning a string, it clears the mind and settles the body. Try it a few times. Like saying, something tastes good. Now let's continue. And for today we use box breathing right now. So inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale for 4 seconds. And hold for 4 seconds. Go again. Inhale 4. Hold 4. Exhale 4. Hold 4. And go again. Hold 4. Exhale 4. Hold 4. Inhale 4. Hold 4. Exhale 4. Hold 4. Inhale 4, last round. Hold 4. Exhale 4. And hold 4. And come back to your natural breath in your time. Feel the vagus nerve gently stimulated. Feel that you can let go more and more. Slowly connect to your right hand, to your fingers, to the big thumb, index finger, middle finger, the ring finger, the little finger, your palm, top of the hand, the wrist, your lower arm, your elbow, your upper arm, your right shoulder, honoring your right arm, and continuing onwards to your right hip, your big thigh, the knee, your lower leg, the shin and the calf, your ankle, your heel, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, the second toe, the third toe, the fourth toe, and the pinky toe, your whole right leg. Connecting now to your left hand, your left thumb, your index finger, your middle finger, your ring finger, your little finger, the palm, the top of the hand, the wrist, your lower arm, the elbow, the upper arm, the shoulder, your complete left arm. Continuing onwards to your left hip, your left big thigh, the knee, the lower leg, shin and the calf, the ankle, the heel, the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the big toe, the second, the third, the fourth, and the fifth. Coming now further up to your hips again and your pelvic area. Take one breath and exhale. Slowly start to climb up your vertebra by vertebra, until you arrive at the belly area, the belly button level. And feel as you're breathing in into your belly, how your belly lifts and how the belly falls again. And then climb up further, vertebra by vertebra, until you arrive at the start of your rib cage. And again, take an inhale and feel in this area. Connecting higher, climbing up further to your heart area, to your chest. And as you're breathing in, get longer on the right side. Create more space on the right. Create more space on the left. Create more space on the back. And create more space to the front. Fill your entire lungs, your complete rib cage. Feel how tall and big and you are. And then as you're exhaling, let go again. And inhale again one more time. To the right side, to the left side, to the back, to the front. And let go. Climbing further up to your neck, to your throat, honoring them. Coming to your jaw, observing with awareness your jaw, your chin, your lower lip, your upper lip, inside the mouth, the roof of the mouth, the floor of the mouth, your tongue, the right nostril, the left nostril, your right eye, the left eye, the right ear, the left ear, and in between your eyebrows, to the forehead, to the back of your head, to the very crown of your head. As you're lying proud and strong, take one inhale deep into your belly, your chest, and release completely. Now imagine standing in a serene garden. There's golden light. In your hands you hold tiny glowing seeds. Each one good thought. Gently you plant them into the fertile earth. One by one. Kindness, patience, hope, forgiveness, gratitude. With each inhale, the seeds glow brighter. With each exhale, they begin to grow. They start to reach towards the sun. Watch your inner garden bloom, knowing these thoughts live inside you now. Nurture this space in stillness. Nurture your garden in stillness. Maybe there are also plants that you don't want in there. Some plants that spread quite aggressively. So feel free to remove those plants that you don't want there. A thought that can go now. It doesn't need to be there in your garden, because there are just so many places for thoughts. Let's make these places nice, flowering, positive, enjoyable, uplifting. Making your garden, creating your garden in the way you visualize it. Beautiful. A place where you can rest and be. Slowly let go of your garden and come back to just one of these plants right now. And this plant, you know already, it is your intention. Come back to your intention, honoring it, telling how beautiful it is, how great it is that this intention is supporting you. And then letting it go again, completely, Start to move your fingers, your toes, your ankles, your wrists, your elbows, your knees, your hips, your shoulders, moving your entire body. How does it feel? How does your body feel? Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May there be peace with every being. I'm bowing down in front of you for your discipline. Abundant love and blessings to you. Namaste.